Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which might help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which you can find right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole next to the slot. I mean, not the next to the slot, but the one on the slot. Like not this one, but this one. Slightly press it and the slot will pop out. So here you can inject SD card, and here next to it SIM card, and then put it back into your device. Just wait for it. Almost done. Just seems to me that this SIM not quite fit, but I hope it's gonna be alright. So then you insert it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also notification SD card, which proves that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.